Good morning, children. Welcome to NCG Max. So, Olympiad problems will be uploaded from this channel. Those who are watching first time, so subscribe the video. If you like the video, subscribe the video and share to your friends. So the question is given like this: find x. You have to find the value of x. So square root of x plus square root of 4x plus square root of 16x plus square root of the so on plus square root of 4 to the power of 2020 x plus 3 minus root x equal to 1. So this problem is a logical problem. So here first pause the video for 10 seconds and think about the problem, how to do this problem. Very simple logic. First what is given you will write what is given. So square root of x plus square root of 4x plus square root of 16x plus so on plus 4 square root of 4 to the power of 2020 x plus 3, these are all under root minus root x is equal to 1. So this is having one logic, very simple logic. First send root x to this side. So what will get root of x plus root of 4x plus root of 16x plus root of and so on plus root of 4 to the power of 2020 x plus 3 is equal to 1 minus root x. Now squaring on both sides. This is the logic we are having. Squaring on both sides. So here you will get whole square. Here also you will get whole square. So the square and square root will get cancelled. Here what will get x plus square root of 4x plus square root of 16x plus square root of plus so on square root of 4 to the power of 2020 x plus 3 is equal to, here a minus b whole square formula, a square plus b square minus 2ab, a square plus b square minus 2ab. So here you can cancel x value, both sides the same values is there, cancel x value. Now again squaring on both sides, again squaring on both sides. So what will get here if you do second time, so here square root and square will get cancelled. 4x plus square root of, this is only the logic we are having in this problem, 16x square root so on plus square root of 4 to the power of 2020 x plus 3 is equal to 1 plus 4x minus 4 root x. So here 4x get cancelled, 4x get cancelled. In the same way if you go on doing, so here if you write simply, so 4 power 1x, if you square, you are getting 2 root x here, 4 power n x, here 2 root x you are getting 4x. Now here 4 square x, if you take 4 square x means 16x, if you take here you are getting 4 root x means 2 square root x you are getting. So if you take 16x you are getting 4 root x. Similarly if you take the last term, square root of 4 to the power of 2002 plus 3 x plus 3. If you take the last term, so what you will get here is, you will get 1 plus 2002 to the power of 2020 root x. So here if you get 2, you are getting 2 here. If you get 2002, here also you will get 2020. 2020. So here squaring on both sides. Here if you take the last term and do the squaring on both sides, okay, what will get here? 4 to the power of 2020x plus 3 is equal to 1 plus 4 to the power of 2020x plus 2 to the power of 2021 root x. So here this term will get cancelled. Now if you take 1 to this side, 2 is equal to, send 1 to this side, 2 is equal to 2 to the power of 2021 root x. From this root x is equal to 2 by 2 to the power of 2021. So this can be written as 1 by 2 to the power of 2020. Now again squaring on both sides, x is equal to 1 by 2 to the power of 2020 whole square. Okay, here root x whole square, square root x cancel. So x value will be 1 by 2 to the power of 4040. So or you can write it as x equal to minus 2 to the power of minus 4040. That is the value of x. So if you like the video, subscribe the video and share to your friends. Thank you for watching Ian's Easy Max Olympiad channel.